What we do with our one-to-one Chromebooks. At the beginning of the school year, the students created All About Me slides to introduce themselves. They would include a photo as well as their name. Then they would let us know outward characteristics and inward characteristics about themselves, who was in their family, and then tell us what they were excited about and concerned. Then during our morning meeting, the students would present their slides to the class. This was a great way to get to know our classmates. In ELA, this is what we've been doing with our Chromebooks. When the students were doing their ancient civilization research, they worked in teams. So the students here are actually working within the same document. They each had different rows within a table to include their data. So on Madison's screen and on Zolani's screen, you can see where the other person is inputting their data. Currently, the students are writing their persuasive essay. Within Google Docs, they are actually researching for shocking statistics. Then they're going to the website, copying and pasting that data, and then putting it inside the one data table in Google Docs, so all of their information is in one place. In all of the writing units thus far, the students write multiple leads and multiple endings. Then they meet with their team, they read their leads and they read all their endings, and then the team actually votes on which was the best lead and the best conclusion, and that's what they insert in their writing. Some students during the revision and editing process use the extension Read and Write, which, as it sounds, reads aloud their writing. It allows them to hear any areas that they need to clarify or correct. The Chromebooks are used to watch teacher-created math videos and take notes. The students around the outside of the room have headphones and their Chromebooks are open, and they're taking notes in their math workbook. The students in the center of the room are participating with me on the smartboard. We also use them for reflex math and iReady assessments. In science, we use the Chromebooks for writing our procedures for our investigations, recording our observations or data that we've collected, and even draw our conclusions after we've analyzed our results. The students in this are actually writing their observations in their table on what occurred when the penny was left in salt and vinegar overnight. At the end of every investigation, the students have to analyze the results and draw their conclusions. They need to include a claim, provide evidence that supports their claim, and then explain their reasoning. Last but not least are digital portfolios using Padlet. Throughout the year, the students will be uploading pictures of the books that they've read into Padlet, so they have a record of all of their readings. They also will take links, shareable links from their Google Drive, and insert that into Padlet. So they will have a record of all of their writings by the end of the school year and a quick access to each and every one of them. In addition, they're also going to be adding all of their science investigations to Padlet as well.